Hello everyone. So now we are talking about the Pralay missile. The DRDO conducts the successful trial of the missile Pralay, which is basically a replacement for a Prithvi missiles. Prithvi missile system becomes very old. That's why there need a modern missile system which fulfills the modern requirement of the army. That's why Pralay missile system has been inducted, and DRDO conducts its first successful trial. Now, us talking about some of the facts of the Pralay missile is this missile has been cost of 427 crore rupees. It is launched by the DRDO. Its speed is in 1 mach, and it is not a intercontinental ballistic missile. That's we have to remember that that's not an intercontinental ballistic missile. It's not have a range such as BrahMos. It is a short range surface to surface missile. That's why it is more in demand for in international market, because many of the countries such as Japan, Vietnam, and Philippines have their issue with China or any other country which have their issue with, mostly countries have their issues with their neighboring country, so they all need a short range missile system, and that's why there is a huge demand in international market for a short range missile system. And that is also an advantage because this is also a short range missile system, and Indian government has an opportunity to export this missile to other countries as well. But first we're talking about this missile. This is a high weight carrying capacity. This missile has one important aspect, that it can load its weight more than the BrahMos. So if we want to carry heavy bombs or heavy, that in that case this missile has a very good option. Also, this missile has a really high precision rate, and this missile is embedded with modern techniques, such as this missile can change its path from the mid air. So this is a very good quality of this missile as well. And Riardo also working on the similar projects for the short range missile. I mentioned this in a Pragati missile, Prahar missile, and Pranash missile. These are the upcoming projects for the DRDO that it can work, that it is working on it. But let's talk about some more fact about the Pranay missile. Is the Pranay missile is a short range missile, as we previously discussed. Its range is 150 to 500 kilometer. Now let's talk about the Indian geographical location. In the east side, in the west side, there is a Pakistan, and in the other side there is a China. So if we're talking about the range, it can complete a whole Pakistan and most part of the China as well. It's Tibet part of the China. It also covers this missile. So for India, this is also really important missile to keep our border areas safe. So I think this is a total very good development by DRDO, and we hope that the DRDO conducts more successful trials for the modern missiles as well. Okay, thank you for watching my videos.